Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived an old man named Elder Tan. He was wise and well respected by all. One day, Elder Tan called a gathering in the town square, holding a bundle of sticks in his hands. "Children," he began, "I have a story that I believe will teach us a valuable lesson." He took the bundle of sticks and split it into several smaller bundles, each containing only a few sticks. "What do you think?" he asked, holding up the smaller bundles. "They are weaker," a young boy named Timmy replied. "Indeed, they are," Elder Tan nodded. "Now, watch what happens when I combine these smaller bundles." Elder Tan took the smaller bundles and carefully tied them together. "Now, try to break it," he challenged. The villagers tried, but they couldn't. The bundle was much stronger than any of the individual sticks. "Why is that?" Elder Tan asked. "Because they are together," a wise old woman named Martha answered. "Exactly." Elder Tan beamed. "When we stand together, we are stronger. Just like these sticks, we can accomplish great things when we work together. Remember this lesson, children, and always strive for unity." From that day on, the villagers never forgot Elder Tan's lesson. They worked together, helping each other in times of need, and the village thrived. The bundle of sticks became a symbol of unity, a reminder that together they could overcome any obstacle. This tale teaches us that unity is strength, and that when we work together, we can achieve great things. Let's remember Elder Tan's lesson and strive for unity in our lives, both in our schools and beyond. Just like the bundle of sticks, we too can be unbreakable when we stand together.